this trick, we're going to use the jack, the queen, the king, the 10, and the ace. Ace stands for assassinator. Okay, the ace of spades, the death card. So, first of all, assassinator first kills the sun. So, he sticks the sun behind him, son of the king, and now he has disappeared. Oh, yes. Alright, so now, next up, the queen, the king's wife. We stick her behind. You now have the king, the 10, the ace, and the queen is gone. Okay? She really is. Alright, next is the king. Finally, assassinates the most important person, the king. Now with the 10, the ace, and the king is really gone. But at the last second, the royal servants come in. The assassinator manages to kill them too. But what's really weird is that right before the royal servants die, pulls out his gun, and shoots face. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.